With over 1 million rows and more than 16,000 columns, Excel is well suited to create a database either for personal use or for small businesses. Many businesses maintain a lot of their information in Excel spreadsheets. The format of the spreadsheet, which is rows and columns, corresponds well to the structure of a table in a database. So here we will see how to create or to use Excel as a database. I'm going to create a database of customers with their addresses and phone numbers. So the first step, of course, is to create the fields. So we've created the fields here. A very important thing to remember when you're creating tables is to maintain a level of granularity. So for example, when I'm creating this database, I won't have the address as one field. I split it up into multiple columns. This makes it much easier to sort, filter, and to analyze data. So now that I've created the column headers or I've defined what fields I want, I can add the data. For this example, I already have the data on another sheet. So I'm going to copy that and just paste it here. Of course, you can either enter it manually or you can import it from any other application. I now have my data in place. The last step is to convert it to a table because a table makes it easier to handle when you're sorting, filtering, or using any of the table columns for calculations. So I select that and say insert table. Since I already selected my data, the range is displayed here. I have to make sure my table has headers is clicked because I've already defined the column names here. So Excel will recognize that these are the names of the fields. I now say OK, and I have my table. Now, if I want to add a new row, you can see that Excel automatically recognizes it as part of the table and therefore becomes part of the database. So this is how to create a database in Excel. Please read the appended article for more information.